the motherland.
Scrap metal's up to 175 per ton.
Oh, the motherland. These are my people. Okay.
Oh, this old poor girl.
Yeah, look at her. She's still got her bush.
I think it's a Buick based on that motor.
Should probably not touch things.
Yeah, you definitely
I
shouldn't.
just did. Alright, we got a wreck though. We're good.
Oh, poor old girl. What'd you just say?
Oh, Chihuahua.
Oh, that
Look.
looks like it
It's the
hurt.
Declaration of Independence. I'm Nicolas Cage. We're stealing this.
You're not Nicolas Cage.
I'm Nicolas fucking Cage.
You're not. Ah, the 350 TBI. Poor little truck.
Just look at it.
What?
Just look at it.
You look at it.
I'm looking at it.
Mountain Man pilot car, Panama, Nebraska. You boys like Panama?
No, we don't.
Oh, a 4th gen Camaro. What V6 could this possibly have in it? Oh yeah, a 3800. Duh. Look at this luxurious cloth. And oh my gosh, it had a manual. Well, at least it had that.
Yeah. Chevy Van 20.
Chevy Van 20. This one's seen better days.
This is the van that makes babies.
I don't think it makes babies anymore.
Bang.
Look, the seat is inside the seat over there. It's a car seat for a large
You're
child.
a fucking idiot.
Little Junkyard 5.3.
Door restoration. LLC.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Real rich Corinthian leather. Sam.
No, it's no.
Whole 80 square body with a 6-cylinder.
So look at that. Just look at it. No pictures.
Well, we found an S10, but it's in park. But I seriously doubt, I mean, it's base model. It's not going to have...
Did you bring any tools?
No, I didn't bring any tools. Are you trying to take a Cadillac?
Shut up.
What do you need a Cadillac emblem for?
Sir.
Well, that's seen better days. Actually, I don't know if it did. It's a 4-door Impala. There is a freaking Atlas 4200 in this thing, and remarkably, in this Trailblazer next to me, and it's actually in remarkably complete shape. Would you look at that? Imagine what you could do with a cam, a turbo, and a performance computer in there. Just imagine, if you will. Imagine that 700 horsepower beast, because that would be cool. Poor old truck. A lot more of these like 90s and 2000s trucks. Holy crap. Didn't think I'd see that there. It's a Gen 5 big block. Samantha. Gen 5 big block. Gen 5 big block. That's surprising.
It's wet.
This must be, yeah, 3,500. Huh. I like how they you know, I like
These
the
body lines?
I know the vision
Just
they
look at
had.
them?
The vision they had, and how they repositioned you know, the door to make it
More.
a less streamlined approach.
Yeah, it's really good.
And the convertible
Gorgeous
top,
looking
it looks
dog.
like it has like a hat now.
Good.
Whew. You know, I would actually probably be okay. I'm skinny enough that we might be all right.
Yeah. This is how you know he. Oh, the drive.
2003
The wheel?
Blazer.
Oh, it's
Just-
gone. No,
Has it got a drive shaft in it?
it does.
It's probably in park.
Yeah, they put all the cars in there.
Yeah.
That's for safe.
They do have the mud tires on it. And the tow hooks on this old Jimmy. Of course, this one would be the one sitting on the ground. Ah, this poor thing. There's some really cool Oldsmobile taillights. I thought you weren't going to touch anything, so you don't have an allergic reaction. It's got a little rust, but you know, that's not that bad. It's not that bad. Are you still playing with the fire extinguisher? Whoa. Wow. Oh, a manual for drivers. Yeah, don't touch anything because
like
there's
mouse.
mouse nests everywhere. Wow, the interior's, the dash is actually in good shape.
The dash is fine. It smells like rat piss.
Yeah, don't touch anything because you get allergic. That's an interesting way to open a hood. Missing its Oldsmobile grills. And then you can see the oil tube under there. That is an actual Oldsmobile engine. Didn't think I'd really see one of those in the yard again. What?
Remember when wood was real expensive?
Huh?
Remember when wood was real expensive?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Gold
2020, that is a gold mine. Somebody probably would have stole the van for that plywood. Blazer.
Another Blazer. Non-posse.
Darn it.
Damn it.
Little 93 S10 with a manual. Oh, why are you here?
Because it's hurt. That's why we're here.
Pretty much. There's an actual freaking Hemi at the junkyard.
Oh, because it's a 300.
I haven't looked at Dodge section in a while, but I did not know that Hemis. Hemi seat. I did not know that Hemis would ever make it here. I figured those would always get pulled and sold. Wow. Oh. Oh. Some good glass. I think that's a caliber. I search for slant 6s. I haven't found anything pre-87 yet. But cool.
Why are you here?
I don't know why it's here.
Who put you here?
Man.
I can't touch it.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Most of that's actually there.
Oh, it's a rat nest inside.
Yeah, do not
No, I
touch.
didn't touch anything. But look at it.
Wow. Why is this here?
Who did this to me?
Gonna open?
Oh, it's bungee corded.
Oh. Missing the rear fender. This side's got it. Wow, this thing's actually... This is actually really solid. I mean, I don't see any rust holes anywhere.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. This is... Wow. Poor freaking car. Even all the glass.
I know. Everything.
And the original motor. That's crazy. Hemi Magnum. Another hammer. Hammer. That's crazy. Onward. Okay, well, this is the oldest Dodge here. An Aspen. I don't know anything about the years of these. Wow. That dash and these door panels and stuff are clean. I'm guessing the seats were clean too since they took them. Please have, damn it, it's got a V8. I can't believe I just said that. Why would I be disappointed in a V8? I don't know. Huh. Odd spot for an AC compressor. Well, that sucks. I bet this thing's got some stories. No luck. Wow. Ba-dum! Lot of punch buggies in there behind us.
Scum ass.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd touch that.
We're touching it.
I don't know if I would.